Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another vlog. I have made this vlog including by 2 or 3 days. Many of my friends are told me to do the video in both languages, in Urdu and English as well. Here the recipes are like carrot and beetroot poha, vegetables upma and dry nuts chicken, carrot juice, bhindi curry, spinach and egg curry. कुकिंग के दौरान मैं उर्दू में बोलती जाऊंगी। So let's get start. This recipe is about 500 gram of poha. You can say aulaki, poha, chudwe, whatever because language varies from state to state, district to district. पोहा बनाने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे 2 प्याज लिए हैं, 1 टमाटर, दूध, हल्दी, राई, बीटरूट, कैरेट। ये लगभग 500 ग्राम पोहा है। अगर आप कर्नाटक से हो तो आपको पता होगा कि इसे साउथ कर्नाटक में अवलक्की और चुड़वे भी कहते हैं, स्पेशली हावेरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट। फर्स्ट हीट अप द कढ़ाई, देन ऐड द ऑयल एज पर द पोहा क्वांटिटी, देन गोज ऑल द चॉप वेजीज ऑल टुगेदर. Mustard seeds should be splattered. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt because 1 spoon for the masala and 1 spoon for the poha. यहाँ पर मैंने 2 चम्मच भर के नमक डाला है, 1 चम्मच मसाले के लिए और 1 चम्मच पोहा के लिए. Now cook it for some time and then after I add coriander at the last. In meanwhile, the children were asked me to make the bhoj. थोड़ी देर के लिए मसाले को पकने के लिए छोड़ दें. And this all I have arranged for the dry nut chicken. Here I have taken onion, 1 big onion and half, and then 2 tomatoes, coriander, fenugreek leaves, and then garlic, ginger, dry mince. These all dry nuts I have soaked before, like here almond, cashew, pistachio and watermelon seeds, and other dry masala as goes as usual in another dishes. और ये भुना हुआ जीरे का पाउडर है, and along with this garam masala powder as well. Here already I have soaked the chicken before half an hour. Next process is frying the onion till it's get into a brown color. Here I have chopped 1 tomato for adding in chicken, another for masala. 1 टमाटर जाएगा चिकन में बारीक कटा हुआ और 1 मसाले में. प्याज को तेल में अच्छी तरह से तल लेना है, जैसे कि बिरयानी के लिए तला जाता है. For chicken marination, I added here chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, roasted cumin powder, garam masala, fenugreek, कस्तूरी मेथी and 1 lemon. यहाँ पे सारे मसाले डल चुके हैं, जैसे लाल मिर्ची, हल्दी, जीरा पाउडर, धनिया पाउडर, नमक, नींबू, कस्तूरी मेथी और 1 टमाटर चॉप कटा हुआ. Now grind all the masala into a smooth paste by including fried onion too. Now keep it for rest. Now saute it with the fenugreek leaves till it's become crispy. मेथी को तेल में थोड़ा ब्राउन होने तक तल लेना है. and adjust the masala according to your taste, whether you want thick or thin. जैसे कि इस मसाले में ड्राई नट्स का पेस्ट है तो इसमें एक गाढ़ापन आ ही जाता है. As there are dry nuts in this chicken which gives a thick consistency. Now cook it for 5 minutes, then switch off the flame. पोहा अच्छे से भीग चुकी हैं. In between poha soaked very well. In the last I'm adding milk. This is optional which I'm adding here, you can skip this. After milk added, cook it for 5 minutes only. दूध डालने के बाद सिर्फ 5 मिनट तक पकाना है. In the last I'm adding ghee. थोड़ा सा घी डाल दें आखिर में. As beetroot and carrot are very good for health, beetroot for hemoglobin and carrot for eyesight. In COVID time, try to give healthy and nutritious food to your children. On next day iftari, I prepared carrot juice. I have boiled the carrot with the milk. मैंने यहाँ पे कैरेट जूस के लिए कैरेट को दूध में अच्छी तरह से उबाल लिया है. I have learned this drink from one of my best friend and दीदी as well. शमीम दीदी, ये आपके लिए. On other side, I have soaked the ajwa khajur and cashew in the milk. और यहाँ पे दूध में अजवा खजूर और काजू को भिगो के रखा हुआ है और एक कार्डमम इलायची पाउडर फ्लेवर के लिए. You need to grind the carrot into a fine smooth paste. After adding the milk, again need to grind it just for mixing it well. Now adjust with the milk as for drink. I have added chopped watermelon in this. If your children not like to have the carrots in any dishes, then go ahead this way. This image I have captured in the Sahri time. On next day, I prepare bhindi and moong curry. Most of the dishes which I am sharing you all I prepared for iftari only. You need to roast the moong and then leave it for the soak. यहाँ पर मैंने भिंडी और मूंग करी के लिए मूंग को भून रही हूँ और उसके बाद थोड़ा सा भीगने के लिए छोड़ दूँगी. For this curry masala, 1 onion, ginger garlic, little bit coconut, 2 tomatoes and coriander. यहाँ पे मैंने बिल्कुल गोश्त का सालन का मसाला रखा हुआ है बजाय गरम मसाले के और ज़ीरा पाउडर डाला हुआ है. After grinding the masala, I am adding here turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and cumin roasted powder. In jar only I am adjusting the curry because I don't want to mess up with the other dishes because I only have to wash it again. And give a cut to bhindi as you want and then roast it for some time. Now adjust the curry with the water. There is always curry in watery consistency only. First need to add soaked moong, then goes bhindi. पहले भुना हुआ मूंग दाल है और आखिर में भिंडी। At least it needs to cook for 10 minutes. Then in the last I have added bhindi. For our next day iftari, I prepared upma by including all the veggies. Here I have taken beans, carrot, green peas, onion, tomato, crushed ginger, garlic, coriander, curry leaves, red green chilies, and then 1 lemon. Here I have taken red chili because my children can't get differentiate between the beans and chilies. After mustard splutters, I added all the masala at a time. Here I have taken 250 grams semolina, rava, suji, whatever you say. Salt for upma goes as far as same for rice. Cook it for some time till the veggies cook well. From couple of days we were having only oily things in iftari. For just change, I prepared these all things. You can roast the soji separately, but here I am adding in this. आप चाहे तो सोजी को अलग से भून सकते हैं, मगर मैंने इसी में डाला है. As I have taken 250 gram of soji, but the water goes 500 ml. If you want more smooth and watery upma, then you can add more water. Here I have added more than 2 cups of water. Next 1 lemon goes. 2 से ज़्यादा ग्लास पानी मैंने इसमें डाला है. Here sugar I am adding. This is optional. If you want, then you can add it. In the last I am adding the ghee. Then leave it for 5 minutes on low flame. For just giving a shape, I am just setting upma in a bowl. At my parents' home, they don't add sugar, but in my in-laws, they use. Now turn the bowl upside down in a plate for giving a shape. Leave it for a second, then take it out. Your children also like when you give in a different manner. For Sahri, I made egg and spinach curry. In upcoming videos, I share you this recipe with you all. I hope you liked my today's video. Khuda Hafiz.